For today's math lesson, you will need page number 571. We will be learning about hexagons and circles. So take a look at the yellow hexagon at the top. Okay, you're going to trace it with your finger, and as you do, we're going to count the straight sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 straight sides. Now with your finger you will touch each of the vertices and count them. Remember, vertices are corners.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So a hexagon has 6 straight sides and 6 vertices. Now take your finger and let's trace the blue circle. How many straight sides does that circle have?
There are 0.
How many vertices does that circle have?
0.
So a circle doesn't have any straight sides and it doesn't have any vertices. Now take a look at your dotted shapes down below. I would like you to use your red crayon and trace any shape that is a hexagon. A hexagon is a shape that has 6 straight sides and 6 vertices.
Okay, I'm going to count my sides first. This is all curvy, so moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagon.
Good job.
This is a semicircle. It's not a full circle. I'm going to move on to this one and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. Let me check the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is another hexagon. No, I don't see any vertices or straight lines. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, found one. Here we go again, another curvy. Oh, I bet this is one. I'm going to do my vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, it's open there. Oh, it tried to trick me. That's not a hexagon.
Good job. All right, pick up your blue crayon, and this time you're going to find your circles and trace them with your blue.
Oh, here's a circle. This is part of a smiley face. That makes me happy.
Put your smiley face in there.
Oh,
That
good
makes
idea.
Okay, find another one.
Oh, this is just half of one, so I'm not going to do that one. Here's a great big one. This one almost looks like a big sunshine.
Oh, good idea.
With a smile. Oh, here's one.
All right, count your hexagons.
1, 2, 3.
Count your circles.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Okay, flip your paper over and let's take a look. Descartes and Newton are each looking at their own shapes. Descartes the cat wants to find all the hexagons and color them red. You remember hexagons have 6 straight sides and 6 vertices. So let's do that first. Pick up your red crayon, go down below in each of the rows, start at the first row. Look at all the shapes and any hexagons you find, color them red.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, I'm supposed to look for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's one. Oh, that's a part of a smile. No vertices, no straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope.
Okay, next row. Take a look.
Here's another smiley. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that one almost tricked me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Found one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not 6.
All right, go down to your last row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, here's one. He's a big guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Oh, this one's all curvy. No, that one's all curvy. That's our smile.
All right, let's switch to our blue crayon and take a look. Newton is looking for all the circles. He is making sure that the shapes that he colors have 0 straight sides and 0 vertices. So look down in the first row again. You should have your blue crayon in your hand. Do you see any circles in the first row?
I do.
There it is. Color it in. All right, look in the second row.
Here comes another one.
Good. Now look in the last row.
One more.
Good job. All right, check your work. All right, now let's take a look at our next sheet. Put your finger on little green apple, number 1. Let's see if I can find my directions. We are coloring any hexagons we find red and any circles blue. Tell why your answers are correct. So let's pick up our red crayon. You are looking for what shape?
Hexagon.
Good. And how many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
How many straight sides does it have?
6.
All right. Look quickly.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Found one. That's an open end, so I know that that's not one. That's a half of a circle. Here, that's a circle, so that's not one.
All right. Let's look. Let's stay in that same row. Switch to your blue. And this time we're looking for a circle.
Oh,
Color it blue.
we found that one. He's right here.
You're great at circles. All right. Switch back to your red. Little green fish number 2. What are we looking for?
Hexagon. 6 sides, 6 vertices.
Good. You knew what I was going to ask. Don't let it trick
1,
you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ooh.
Oh, I almost colored that one.
I was going to color that one too.
Ooh, let's
Keep
look
looking.
over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Found it.
Good. Now switch back to your blue. What are you looking for? What are we coloring blue?
Circles.
Yeah. Go ahead and
Here's
color.
one.
All right. Let's go down to little green car number 3. It says trace the shapes that are hexagons and write the number of sides and the number of vertices. So with your red crayon, trace all the hexagons. Go.
Okay. I think this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I am so happy that I counted. That's not one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I found one. My first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay, I found another one. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Found another one.
How many straight sides does a hexagon have?
6.
Write your number 6 in the first blank. And how many vertices does it have?
6.
Go ahead and write your number. Good. Okay, flip it over. What does that look like to you?
I think it's a robot.
I think you're right. The directions say, follow the steps to complete the robot. All right. And I don't care what color you use. You might even want to use your pencil and color it later. It says, draw 2 circles for the robot's eyes. Good. Draw a triangle for the robot's nose. You remember what a triangle is?
Yes.
How many straight sides does a triangle have?
3.
And how many pointy vertices does it have?
3.
You're right. Okay. And draw a rectangle for his mouth. How many straight sides did you put on your rectangle?
4.
How many vertices, L-shaped vertices?
4.
Good. All right, next direction, draw a hexagon for each of the robot's hands. All right. How many sides are you counting?
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's kind of hard to draw, isn't it?
It is, and I struggle at my artwork. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great job.
Thank you.
All right. How many of each shape is used for the whole robot? Write the number next to each shape.
Okay, I'm going to start with my circle first.
Okay.
1, 2. I don't see any other circles.
I'm glad you're looking all over.
Thank you. Now hexagons. Let's see. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to count the big head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1. And then I made the hand. That's 2. And then this hand, that's 3. I don't see any other ones, so I'm going to put 3. I hope you got 3. Now triangles. I'm going to count my triangles. Oh, there's one for the nose. 1, 2, 3. That's all I see. I say 3. What do you say?
Good job. That
Now-
nose almost tricked me. I forgot that you made a triangle nose.
And now the rectangle. Okay, now I'm going to go slow because I want to be sure I don't miss anything.
Help remind me, what is a rectangle?
A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices.
And the sides are straight, and the vertices are what shape?
Pointy.
They're
L
shape.
shape.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, so
Let's
here's
count
1. I'm going to count like we do in class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think, I'm not going to miss it, I think his neck is 7.
Oh, good job.
I didn't let it trick me. I hope you guys weren't tricked.
All right, check your work. Does it match? Now go back and color your robot. Any color you'd like to color it. All right, let's take a look at our homework. Make sure you write your name and number on your homework. And the directions say for number 1 through number 3, color all the hexagons red, color all the circles blue, just like we practiced in our work, and tell somebody in your family why they are hexagons and circles. Now, flip your paper over and let's take a look. Little Green Frog number 4 says color any hexagons red and color circles blue. Tell why your answers are correct. Little Green Star number 5 says trace the shapes that are circles. Write the number of straight sides and the number of vertices of a circle. Little Green Flower number 6. Draw a hexagon at the end of the cat's tail. Draw 2 circles for the cat's eyes. How many of each shape is used for the cat? Write the numbers next to the shapes. Then go back and color your cat. So that's just like our robot. All right, we have a special edition game that we will be playing. You should have a paper that looks like this in your packet for Monday. Write your name and number at the top. And then you will need something to use as counters for your addition. You remember when we're plussing, you are putting numbers together. So if you don't have buttons, you can use little pieces of paper, or you might have some Cheerios or something else you might find in your toys that you could use as counters. So after you have your name and number on this sheet, you need your die, roll it, What number did you get?
1.
Write it in the first space and get 1 button. All right, roll. What'd you get?
3.
Okay, so 1 plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Put them all together. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Write your answer in the box. All right, clear your space. Roll your die.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm glad you checked. Get 6 buttons.
Ooh, a green one. There's 6.
Now you need to make sure that you count those 6 buttons carefully.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, roll your die.
Ooh. I got the same number. 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh.
Yeah, lucky twins there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, that's a big number. It's a 1 and a 2, not a 2 and a 1. Don't let that confuse you. You have to write your 1 first, then your 2.
All right, you know how to play now, so go ahead and use your die and continue playing. When you're finished with the first side, flip it over and play again.
Ooh, woohoo!
Okay. Now, this sheet and your homework sheet needs to go in your red homework folder. All right, thank you, friends.